Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to add a border in your Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to add a border, you just simply have to open your Canva application at first, and after opening the application, you just simply have to open any of the existing projects or create a new project. And now after opening your project, you will get to see so many options into here. You just simply have to select the object or the image in which you want to add the border. Now after that, you will get to see this style button into this bar at the bottom. Just simply tap into that style button and you will get to choose board style from here. You just simply have to select the board style that you want, and then you can change your border weight and corner rounding of the border. Then after doing this, your border will successfully be added to Canva. This way you can also add a border into your images in Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.